Greetings, remote learners. There's more of you than we've ever had before, so we thought we'd do a quick overview of today's lesson. Today is Friday, November 13th, lucky day. We're going to keep working on our open letters to school administrators in hopes of prompting some change here at the Perry Local Schools. When we were last together on Wednesday, you had a chance to view an example letter written by previous Perry students to understand all of the components that need to go in to an A+ letter. Today we're going to focus only on the research component. We want to make sure that before you write your opinion, you've got some evidence to support it. So what we went ahead and did on the weekly agenda is we put a link to school reform topics. If you click on that link, it's going to give you a variety of topics that seem to be of high interest based on our class discussions. Topics ranging from the school's COVID-19 response to standards-based grading to athletics and academics and many more. If there's a topic on there that you think you would like to write about, we'd like you to pick one article under that topic and complete the source analysis document that's linked on the weekly agenda. It's very similar to the source analysis document you did during the election unit. Basically, you're going to write the title of the article, you're going to look at the source it appeared in, and using the media bias chart, determining where it falls in terms of being left-leaning or right-leaning. Is it a fair interpretation of the news? Would it be considered a legit news article? If your source does not fall on that media bias chart, we're just going to ask you to answer those questions as best as you can based on your reading of the article. So make some determinations. Do you think it's left-leaning, right-leaning? Maybe it's right down the middle, neutral. Is it a fair interpretation of the news, etc. After you do that, we want you to research the author. Is the author a credible source of information? What makes them an authority on this topic? Google the author's name to find that out. And then simply at the bottom of the page, if you would summarize in 2 to 3 sentences the main arguments of the author, and on the back side of the paper, in 5 to 7 sentences, what evidence does the author use to support their opinion? If you do not find a single article on that list that speaks to the topic you want to write about, that's okay. You can do your own original research, find your own source, and then proceed to complete this page for whatever source you choose. That should put you in a really good position to start writing your writing your letter in class on Monday. But for today, all you have to do is the research, do the source analysis, turn the source analysis in via email by the end of the day, and you'll be in pole position to write a really good letter come Monday. That's it. Hope you guys have a good weekend. As always, if you have any questions, you can email me or Trent or send us a text message. Stay safe.